Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, my name is Mohamad Zaid bin Ismail from KBA 2424A, and today I will present on technical analysis for two company which I choose TM company and also AirAsia. First of all, I choose three indicators to analyze the stock chart for this assignment, which are simple moving average SMA, moving average convergence divergence, which is MACD, and also rate of change ROC. Simple moving average is formed by computing the average price of a security over a specific number of periods. Second indicator, moving average convergence divergence, which we call MACD, is a trend that following momentum indicators that shows the relationship between two moving average of a security's price. Traders use the MACD to identify when bullish or bearish momentum is high in order to identify entry and exit points of trades. Third indicator, rate of change ROC, is a momentum that based on technical analysis that measures the percentage change in price between the current price and the price a certain number of periods ago. The indicator can be used to spot divergence, overbought and oversold conditions, and also centerline crossovers. Okay, let's start with first stock, which is TM company. The 3rd of July 2020 is the last day of trading that has been analyzed. This stock has displayed selling signs in the past. The selling indication were indicated by the SMA, MACD, and also ROC. The stock is now trading at 4 ringgit and 14 cents. The first indication to be mentioned is the simple moving average. The closing price of the SMA for this TM company stock was 4 ringgit and 14 cents, and the volume was 4,432,000. When the SMA exceeds the price of the stock, it signals a sell signal. Moving average convergence divergence is the next indication that I have in this stock. The MACD and signal line cross because the MACD is lower than the signal line and the two lines intersect. The MACD and signal lines are negative 0.023 and 0.024 respectively. The MACD is lower than the signal line as indicated above. As a result, it will signal a sell signal. As a result, the MACD and signal crossing on 3rd July 2020 indicates a selling signal. Rate of change is the third signal I discovered in this stock. On the chart above, ROC was at 4.9% and rate of change moving average ROCMA was at negative 2.9%. It was discovered that the ROC is decreasing in comparison to the ROCMA. It also revealed that the ROC value is less than 0. Therefore, it signals a sell signal because the stock has become overbought. As a result, the ROC and RCMA crossing on 3rd July 2020 indicates a selling signal. The chart analysis above, in my opinion, shows that the stock requires investors to sell their stocks. The TM Corporation has displayed selling indication. It's because the stocks SMA, MACD, and ROC have all indicated that it's overbought. Therefore, investors must sell their equities in order to avoid more loss and profit. Next, we move to AirAsia stock. The 3rd of July 2020 is the last day of trading that has been analyzed. This stock has displayed selling signs also in the past. The MACD and ROC indicators are two indicators that show selling signs. The stock is now trading at 90 cents. In AirAsia company, the first indicator that I have indicates in this AirAsia stock is moving average convergence divergence, MACD. MACD can be found on 3rd July 2020. MACD and signal line is 0.015C and 0.019. MACD is lower than the signal line as indicated in the graph. As a result, it will signal a sell signal. Therefore, the MACD and signal closing on 3rd July 2020 indicates a selling signal also. The second indication in this stock that I discovered is rate of change, which is ROC. As we can see in the chart, ROC was at 1.1% and rate of change moving average ROCMA was at negative 5.5%. It was discovered that the ROC is decreasing in comparison to the ROCMA. It also revealed that the ROC value is less than 0. As a result, it signals a sell signal because the stock has become overbought. Therefore, the ROC and ROCMA closing on 3rd July 2020 indicates a selling signal. I assume that the investors need to sell their equities based on the foregoing indicators because MACD and ROC have shown that the stock is overbought. As a result, investors must sell more stocks in order to increase their profits and avoid their losses. So that's all for my company analysis for today. Thank you for watching.